Hello, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So we'll just wait 2 to 3 minutes more, then we'll just start off with today's presentation session. Fine?
Okay, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yeah,
Can I start first?
yeah, okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, Rohit, you have anything to say?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell.
Ma'am, actually, due to some internal issue, my file was lost, so I had to prepare a new one today.
I didn't get like how your file is lost. You prepared it in Excel, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why don't you have downloaded that? Why don't you
Ma'am,
keep the
actually, I
Mhm.
ma'am, I forgot to upload it in Google Drive and it lost.
Guys, you should understand you are professional and grown up now. So this kind of excuse you shouldn't give, right? You should at least, it is quite obvious, like when you are working in any of the project, try and keep a backup.
Yes, ma'am, it never happened. It is the first time, and my laptop was struggling.
Yeah, Priyadarshini, you have any issues? You have raised your hand. Okay, guys, let's just start with the with today's presentation session. So, Shivani, you are going to present first, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. After Shivani, who wants to present?
Ma'am, me.
Okay. Abhijay, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Next, after Abhijay, who wants to present?
Hello.
Yeah,
Oh, ma'am, am I audible?
yeah, you're audible.
Ma'am, my college exam ended just now. It was 4 to 5,
Okay.
and my home is 30 kilometers away from my college. So, what can I do?
Uh,
I don't have laptop with me.
Fine, we'll discuss about it later. Whoever wants
Okay.
to present, let them present.
Okay.
Okay. Who else wants to present? Swapna, actually. You want to present or any issue you are having?
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, audible.
Ma'am, I want to present.
Priyadarshini, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. After Abhijay, Priyadarshini, you can present.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so after Priyadarshini, Swapna, you have anything to say? I can't hear you, Swapna. You can use the chat box and write if you are facing any issue with your microphone. Guys, anyone else wants to present?
Yes, ma'am. Me, Bhavani.
Okay, fine. Okay, after Priyadarshini, Bhavani, you go and present.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
I will also present. I want to also present. Swapna.
Okay. Okay, Swapna. After Bhavani, Swapna, you present.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, fine. So we'll go accordingly then. So Shivani, you can start your presentation. You can just present your screen and go accordingly.
Okay, ma'am.
Ravi, mute yourself.
Hello, ma'am. Is my screen visible?
Yeah, it is visible.
Okay. Mm. Hello, everyone. My name is Shivani Sadani, and my topic is e-commerce sales trends analysis. So the objective is to analyze the sales performance of products in an online retail store using the Superstore dataset and uncover key insights to support business decisions. About the data set is a sample e-commerce sales data set from the global superstore covering year from 2011 to 2014 across the United States. It includes order details like order date, ship date, and shipping mode, and customer information like ID, name, segment, and location. Product details like category, subcategory, and product name. Transaction data like sales, quantity, discount, and profit. So the data spans three major product categories: furniture, office supplies, and technology, with multiple subcategories under each. This dataset allows us to analyze sales trends, profitability, regional performance, and customer behavior. So for data cleaning, I first extracted year from the order date column. Next, I clean the data by removing duplicates and handling missing values, ensuring the data set was accurate and ready for analysis. So my first analysis focused on sales and profit trend. I create a pivot table with month as rows and sales and profit as columns, for which I took some of sales and some of profit. Then I visualized the results using a combo chart which allowed me to see both metrics together. From this, I observed trends like month with high sales but lower profit, suggesting that discounts or promotions may have impacted margins. Next, I analyzed profit by product category. Using a waterfall chart, I visualized how each category contribute to total profit, highlighting the most and least profitable categories. This chart shows technology contribute the highest with 145.45K dollar. Then office supplies and lowest contributor is furniture. So then I analyze sales distribution by category using a donut chart, of which furniture 32.3043%, office supplies with 32.67%, and technology with 34.90%. This shows sales share is balanced, but profit contribution is not. Then I used a map chart to analyze sales across states. Highest sales were in California, New York, and Texas, while some states contributed very little. There's an opportunity to target underperforming regions with marketing campaigns. I analyzed the top five subcategories by sales using horizontal bars. Uh, Top five subcategories are phones, chairs, storage, tables, and binders. These are my KPIs. This So this is my dynamic. I created a dynamic dashboard. Uh, the dashboard includes KPIs at the top, which shows sales with 22 lakh 97,200 with year-in-year growth of 20.62% and profit with 2 lakh 86,397 dollar with year-on-year growth of 14.41%. Quantity Total amount of quantity orders are 37,873 with year-on-year growth of 27.45%. Total number of orders this company received is 9,994 and the profit margin is 12.47% with an year-on-year drop of 5.15%. So while sales and orders are increasing, margins are not indicating rising cost or discounts. Uh, there are also filters for year, region, and segment, allow slicing the data to answer specific questions like which region or which customer segment perform best in the given year. So this dashboard provides a view of e-commerce performance, combining high-level KPIs with detailed drill downs. Mm, That's all. Thank you.
Okay, Shivani. So you just go ahead in the first slide where you have taken down the data, uh, where you have just formatted the data. Yeah, that part.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Here, try and use borders so that the things get differentiated, and if possible, make it in a table format so that the forms are clear. Okay. So other than that, the
Yeah.
rest part was fine. Okay. You can just
Okay,
stop
ma'am.
sharing. Next is Abhijay. Abhijay, you can just present your project.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, Shivani.
Ma'am, is my screen visible?
Yeah, it is visible.
So, good evening, everyone. My name is Abhijay Das, and today I've made an EDA project on unemployment data analysis. So, my primary objective of doing this analysis is to find out which age group of the people are more focused and which group of people are more lost. Basically, eh, my data my data set contains 12 number of columns when I firstly downloaded it from the Kaggle. So, and the column names are area types, area name, date, year, month, teens, young people, adult people, upper adults, middle aged people, upper middle aged people, senior citizens, and total of that. So, for in what I first did for data cleaning purpose was to like converting the date from short date to long date. That is that is you can see 2nd January 2008. Then when I and then the values numerical values were given in a decimal form. So what I did, I just converted them into general form by just multiplying them by 1,000. So you can see the values here, and then I just total the number of people from that year to get more analysis. So what I did first after that, uh, I have made a pivot table to find out the total number of people from each groups who are unemployed. So as you can see, the most the most people from the unemployed people from the age groups are generally teens. That is typically Gen Z or Gen Alpha, uh, with a numerical figure of 44,853, followed by young ones and then the adults. Then I've made a clustered column chart to find out the detailed analysis of all the unemployed people from all the age groups. So as you can see here, then after I have made a I have made an pivot chart where I've used date where I found where I calculated the number of young individuals who are unemployed from different year. So you can see the most of the changes were unemployed in the year 2010 with a numerical figure of 2246, and the least in 2024 with 240 with just 243. That's a good figure comparatively from previous years. Then I've made I did the same with the individuals who are teenagers, who with a age group between 15 to 18 years. So most of the teenage people were unemployed in the year 2012 with the numerical figure of 4247. Then here I have made a pivot chart to find out the total to find out the pattern of the total number of unemployability over the years. So here we can see in the year 2010, there were more unemployed people other than other years, and after that I did the same, but found I tried to found top 5 years with the highest number of unemployability. So uh, the highest unemployability was in the year 2011. Uh, by using I found it by using pie chart, as you can see on the screen. And lastly, I made this fully fledged dashboard to make it more appealing. So that's all, ma'am.
Okay, Abhijay. Is your dashboard interactive, like dynamic based on the frame, or did you add slicers and all?
No, ma'am. Actually, I was unable to do so because there were some issues with my PC.
Fine. So first go to your data that you have like pre-processed, your processed data.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. So this is the data, like it is after pre-processing, you got this data, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So try and include like for everyone I'm saying like if you are downloading the data, so do it from in like suppose you have downloaded the data and by using like get data you have imported the data in the Excel. Okay. Then just copy that and go to another page and there you do the pre-processing task. So that if anyone like in the comparison perspective, if you want to say like this was my data before or this is my data after I did the pre-processing. I added this steps or this columns I have added for better understanding or analysis of my project. I can do that. Okay, so you can do that. Okay,
Okay,
and
ma'am.
for second, third, like first you done the sheet one. Go to sheet one.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so here it is a bar chart on unemployment by age groups, right?
Age groups.
Now
Yes,
you
ma'am.
go, yeah, you go down to unemployment rate by age groups. Okay. So it has been already been given based on uh, go to the data actually.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you have got the data based on teens, youngs, adult, upper adult in that format. Okay, fine, got it. So, like most of the charts you have used either bar graph or most of them are like bar graph or column chart, this kind of one. Only I have seen that you have used a line chart, another is a pie chart, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Okay. So try to use some of the variations there in terms of like try use other form of chart also to make it more more appealing. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, Abhijay, you can just stop sharing your screen.
Ma'am, any
Next
other
is
suggestions?
no, apart from that, it is okay. But for the dashboard, if you can try and make it interactive, that would be better using slicer or filtering methods, or like based on that, that would be more frequent or good to go ahead with. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So don't
Okay, ma'am.
worry in the sessions also, if you don't know about it, not to worry on in the sessions also we'll learn, we'll try to develop a project from scratch and we'll do a dashboard. So that in the later section, if any other project is allotted to you in this format, you can work accordingly. Fine?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So next is Priyadarshini. Priyadarshini, you can present.
Okay, ma'am.
Pankaj, you have anything to ask? You raised your hand.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, actually, can I present my project tomorrow?
Tomorrow we don't have the presentation session.
Actually, ma'am, I have some issue with my laptop, so I not able to prepare for right now.
Okay, fine. You will see about it. Fine.
Oh, okay, okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, Priyadarshini, your screen is visible. You can start presentation.
Okay, ma'am. Good
Priya,
evening.
your voice is actually breaking. I am unable to hear you properly. Priyadarshini, I can't hear you. You can just try and rejoin. By the time Bhavani, if you are present, you can present. After Bhavani, Priyadarshini, if your network issue resolves, you can just present. Can you hear me, Priyadarshini? Am I audible? Guys, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
are audible.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Priyadarshini, you're audible. Like, can you speak up? Okay. It is Bhavani, right? Bhavani, you're muted. First, unmute yourself and then start with your presentation.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good
Ma'am,
evening.
my screen is visible to all.
Yeah, your screen is visible to me.
My project name is Rainfall Pattern Analysis. This data I collected from Kaggle rainfall in India from 1910 to 2017. This is a raw data. After the data cleaning, here you can see I process the data and making an alignment with more easy to understand and good visualization. First, I created pivot table. Here you can see I selected the state name with from month Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June. And this is a states of Andaman Nicobar, Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar. Here you can see so much of states can visible. And this is a line chart. This is again pivot table. From the same data I collected from June, August, September, October, November, December. Here you can see the difference. In Jan to June, here, according to the rainy season, it's not that much. In second pivot table, here you can see large amount of rain we can see. This is a area chart. I take only the Madhya Pradesh of data. How much of rain can we can see? This is a pie chart of 2D and 3D. This is a final dashboard of Arunachal Pradesh, Andaman Nicobar. This is particularly this is a means donut plot. Particularly, I take it a state as Karnataka. This is 3D bar chart of Gujarat. The overall dashboard large amount of rain we can see in Gujarat. Thank you.
Okay, Bhavani. So you just go ahead with the first in the data cleaning part of your data that you have.
Data cleaning part.
Yeah, the sheet name that you have given as data cleaning, that sheet.
Yes, ma'am. This is my data.
No, it's not visible. Since okay, now it is visible. So you have the state, state name, district name, along with Jan to December, the annual rainfall rate, like the rainfall rates, right? This is your
Yes, ma'am.
data, right? Okay. So
Yes.
now go to your dashboard. Yeah. See, here your dashboard, the graph that you have prepared, that is fine, but yet it is too messy to understand. See, here for the column chart, here you have used like what is this? Series 3, Series 4, what are these?
Ma'am.
In the column chart, you have prepared the column chart, right? Based on Arunachal Pradesh, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And based on the districts of Arunachal Pradesh, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And what is the series? Series 3, series 4, what the color actually signifies?
Ma'am, here you can see in data cleaning part.
No,
This is
no,
a
I am asking about the dashboard. in your dashboard, in your dashboard, there is this chart, like column chart, right? So there,
Yes, ma'am.
uh, based on the Arunachal Pradesh district, you have segregated the data and plotted
Mm.
a chart, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Up to this much, it is right. I am asking what the series is. Series 3, series 4, series 5, this color, which color you have plotted it down. So what this color signifies?
Ma'am, this is you can see the all the colors. It can means that amount of rain is falling in that particular place.
So then why it is like series 12, series 11, series 10? Why it is like that? If it is based on the based on the district wise, if it is, then it should give the name of the districts, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It is giving series 3, series 4, series 5. So what actually it is? Okay, fine. I just want to like this data looks very messy. So you can do accordingly. So, like you can go according to months also and try to plot on specific district, or you can choose it like that. You can choose for specific state wise you go and see what is the like top 10 districts that has the maximum rainfall. Try and use the filters and find out like this for this like maybe for Andhra Pradesh, these are the 10 districts where I am getting the maximum rainfall. Then try and plot this so that things are more clear to understand. Okay, you can
Okay,
go
ma'am.
month wise, or you can start and go by. In some cases, you can for according to states also. If you are going, try and find out like which districts are getting first, like which districts are experiencing more rainfall, and try and make the pivot table accordingly. Okay, while you are putting it in the format, like when you are giving in the row section, the districts, along with the summation of the rainfall counts that you are getting, there only the data will get segregated. You can use the filters for the district part. Fine. So then when you will be getting the like you can just sort the data also. You get the option of sorting the data also, right? So you just sort the data, then you get the form like this for this values or this district, I am getting more of the rainfall. So try and use that in that format so that your data like and try and use the slicers so that you're in the dashboard actually so that you can just change it and it becomes more interactive and dynamic as well. Okay, because here from here the charts you have prepared, that is fine, but it is more cluttered. Like I am not getting to understand what exactly they are signifying, right? So try and use in that format so that it can be easily viewed and one can understand things easily. Okay.
Sure, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Bhavani. So, Priyadarshini, are you there? Bhavani, you can just stop your screen sharing.
Yes, ma'am. I'm there.
Yeah.
Ma'am, my
Okay.
voice is clear?
Yeah, yeah, your voice is clear. You can just present.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, my screen is visible?
Yeah, it is visible.
Okay, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. I'm choosing my project topic is management inventory analysis. So first we can see what is inventory. Inventory means a company how quickly they analyze sales
Priyadarshini, your
and
voice is
replaced it.
breaking again. Your voice is breaking again. Can you just, am I audible to you, Priyadarshini?
But the
Your voice is not audible. Like your voice is literally breaking. So I am unable to hear you properly.
oh, ma'am, I'm here. I'm
Yeah,
audible.
yeah,
Ma'am,
you're
here is
audible
to
now.
Here
Yeah.
is too rainy, that's why.
Okay, fine. Just do one thing. Let others also go. If by the time your network issue resolves, you can just present. Fine.
Ma'am, now I'm audible.
Yeah, you're audible.
Shall I present it?
Yeah, you present it, but in between, if I'm unable to hear you, then you have to stop. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay.
Uh, I can use if functions and pivot table. Why we choose if functions? If functions is a decision making of using decision making of your Excel sheet, true or false. The functions can make a decision true or false.
Priyadarshini, I'm unable to hear you
It
properly. Your
can
voice
be
is breaking very much. Okay, you have to wait because you are presenting, I understand, but if I don't
okay,
get it,
ma'am.
you have to wait. Yeah. Swapna, you're there in the session.
Yes, ma'am.
You can just present.
Yes. Is it visible, ma'am?
Yes, it is visible.
Good evening, everyone. Today, I would like to share my project on online learning engagement analysis. It is technology-based Excel data analytics project. This project focused on understanding user engagement in online learning platforms. This project was built entirely in Excel, showcasing how powerful insights can be extracted using tools. Next is problem statement. Here problem is low course completion and dropouts reduce platform impact and revenue. For that hypothesis, the direction of the project, that are there patterns in user engagement based on honor, hours spent and rating, or learners who spent more hours are more likely to complete a course and give higher rating. So objective of the today's project is measure engagement, correlate hours with the completion and rating, identify high dropouts, courses, recommendations, recommended actions to boost completion. For that, we choose the methodology. First, I would like to tell that this data, which I took for the analysis, that taken from the Kaggle, this is the source of the data. Then cleaning steps are the removing duplicates. If there is any duplicates or missing values or zeros, we remove that duplicate. Then standardize column names, verify the numeric formats for hours spent and rating, then categorize completion status into three groups. This is the completion status. This is the one of the column in our data. Also hours spent and rating. These are the columns in our data. So this is our raw data. Intentionally, I highlighted this data to show you that we have two duplicates value 54 and 55. So that I intentionally highlighted this value with the help of conditional formatting. We have total 101 record and 5 column, that is user ID, course title, hours spent, completion status and rating. So let's start the analysis. This is our data, and initially this is 5 column. After that I created these next 5 column, that is engagement level, rating category, completion fact, satisfaction, satisfied and unsatisfied. Intentionally I created two different columns which is helpful for the creation of the chart. During the analysis I found the patterns, like analysis, like average hours spent by completion status. That is, initially we saw that our completion status we group into the three parts, that is completed, in progress, and drop. Here basically it shows that the student who completed the course, the student who not yet completed, they are learning, that is the in progress category, and the student who don't watch the don't completed the video recording or online courses, they just dropped, that are the three category. So that wise our spend the category wise, the completed student, the student who completed the online learning, that spent the 48 hours, in progress that spent the 46.5 hours, then drop student, they spend the 52 hours. Then next pattern I found, that count of users by status, that is completed student, that means 48. Here we saw that 48 hours contributed by the completed student. So how many students are there? The next is we find out that 33 students who completed the course and they spent 48 hours for the online learning. Likewise, in progress, that category student, that are the 33, they spend 46.5 hours. Next is the drop student, they spend 52.9 hours, and they are the 30 student. Yeah, here interesting pattern I found, that dropout pattern. For that we calculated dropout the student. It shows that the student who drop the course and still they give the low rating. Without completing the course, they give the below rating. And other side, here is the completed pattern. Means the student who completed their course and they give the better rating. That are the 16 student, and dropout pattern student are the 15. Here, also another pattern are the satisfied and unsatisfied. With the help of this column, satisfied and unsatisfied, we calculated the 25 students are the satisfied and unsatisfied are the 75, which include the dropout pattern students as well. Next, average rating by status. The rating status is completed. The student who completed the course, they give 2.97 rating, surprisingly, and the student who dropped it, who not completed the course, they still give the 3.3 rating. And in progress, the student who yet not completed the course, they give the 3.16 rating. Here is the course completion percentage is 33%. Also, the sorry, the engagement level, it shows the engagement level, high, low, and medium. With the help of with that, we show that some completion flag. Here we have the completion flag. The Here we calculated completion flag with the help of completion status. It means if the student completed the course, we give the value 1, and if the student don't complete, means if they belongs to the in process or dropped category, we give them 0, just to just to convert the text information to the numeric information. We created this completion flag column to help the create new chart as well. So with the help of we created this pattern. Next is dashboard. This this data we converted into the graphical format. For that, we created one pie chart where we show the distribution of completion status. Here, as we can see, the completed student are the 33, in progress student are the 37, and dropped student are the 30. Next is average rating by completion status. Here, the rating completed student gives the 2.97, as we saw earlier. The in progress student gives the 3.16 rating, and drop student gives the 3.332 rating. Here, I would like to show the scatter chart. Some interesting fact that if we give the low rating, still in scatter chart, it shows some dots. It shows that the 1.7, if we took 1.7 rating and below is the hours, it shows that 0 to 20 hours, the student who spent 0 to 20 hours, still they give 1.7 rating. and the student who gives 80 to 100 spend 80 to 100 hours, still they give the 1.7 rating. That just I want to share with you. With the help of slicer, we can with the help of cross combination, we can check the other details as well. Next, the hours spent versus completion status. That below on x-axis there is the hours spent, and on the y-axis there is the completion status. Their completion status is completed in progress and drop. Here, the maximum drop student, the student who drop the course and they spend more hours, that is more than a, we can see that means more than 52 hours they spend, still they drop the online course. Next, with online chart, we say explain the same information with the help of line chart. The trend of completion status by the hours spent, that shows the drop students are more as compared to the completed means the student who completed the online learning. The next, there is a satisfied and unsatisfied student. Here the distribution shows that 25% students are satisfied and 75% are unsatisfied. So these are the dashboard. Next is the key findings, that I found that completion rate is relatively low compared to in progress and drop courses. High engagement doesn't guarantee completion. Then drop courses often have mid to high rating, suggestion possible external factors like time constraints or could not complete the course. That's why maybe they drop the courses. Then users spending more than 60 hours show mixed rating. And next is engagement level does not consistently predict completion. Next is medium rated courses are often dropped, possible mismatch in expectations. Then limitations, I found that course title are non-descriptive and may not reflect actual content. As we saw in on data, that the course content is not that relevant. Then next is engagement level lacks the definition, unclear how it measure. Next is no timestamp can be analyzed trends over time. Then rating category seems numeric only, no qualitative feedbacks. So that's why, because of no qualitative data, we cannot improve. Means if there is any suggestion in the form of qualitative data, we can improve the data. So we can reduce the drop level of the students. Then next is the duplicate entries. As we saw that in a row 54 and 55, it may be skew the result, may be vary the result. Then the recommendation I would like to give, that improve the course content clarity and structure, introduce engagement nudges for users with low hours, collect more detailed user feedback and demographic, monitor rating trends to identify quality users. Thank you so much.
Okay, Sapna, your presentation was quite nice. And I just have one suggestion, that is, can you just go to your analysis part?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, here, just go up. This is nice that you have what columns you have added, that you have like segregated, that is fine. And just go right, and just go right where you have taken down the like analysis. Yes. So here, up, yeah, average hours spent by complete status. That is fine that you have taken it down in terms of data. I will just suggest to add chart. These are the pivot tables, right? You can just create the pivot chart along with this table, so that based on the data also we can just have a visualization. Like for this, like average hours spent by completion status,
Ah,
there you can
right.
just try and add a pie chart, so that
Right.
based on that we can just also visualize it, right?
Yeah. Right.
So
Same
that,
on same page, right?
yeah, same page you
Yeah.
can do, or if possible, you have done all of this like this. Whatever the pre-processing part you did, keep it here. and make another analysis part where you are doing only the analysis along with the charts.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
got it.
Rest things are good that you have added this part also, like the key findings. That is the like the major thing that one needs to do. You did it. That is fine. And the other part also you have done it well. So this is the only suggestion from my end to put in. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay,
Yeah,
Swapna. You can just stop sharing.
yes,
So Harsh, you are there in the meeting.
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yeah. Yeah, you're audible. You can just present your screen.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, hello. Yeah,
Ma'am,
your screen is visible.
yes. And my project name is App User Analytics, and it is in technology domain. And my problem statement is we have to find the screen time across different age groups and find apps with find a high and lowest engagement across various cities. My aim is to analyze decision making, prioritize cities with hello hello
Tell, continue.
ma'am. This is my data, raw data,
Okay.
and and in next slide I have added age category where zero where 18 to 24 are in youth category and 25 to 50 are in adult, and after that in senior category. In my data there are no duplicate values, so I have not done anything like that. After that, in an analysis part, first I have find out number of male and females in different age category. After that, in I have find out total app users hours across different cities. As you can see here, New York and Phoenix have New York has more app users hours. After that, we have Phoenix and Los Angeles. Then I have made a chart of various. Then we, in here we are using grouped column chart. Here we will be find out some of social media uses across different cities. Here in each city we are dividing it into three subcategory based on age. This data contains both male and female data. This can we can also find specific data like for female using filter function. As you can see here, most adults are using in Chicago. Most adults are using social media, have high social media users are, whereas in Phoenix, whereas in Chicago, only youth have low social media users are. After that, here we'll be finding out some of daily screen time across different age category based on gender. This chart contains cities. Here we can filter it data using cities like Chicago, Houston, Los Angeles, New York. For New York, as will be seeing, adult males have most screen time hours, daily screen time hours, while senior male have relatively low screen time hours. After that, in this chart, we'll finding number of used by different genders across different age category. We can also filter it using different cities. After that, in this chart, we'll in group stack in this group column chart, we'll be making it for social media users hours, productive app users hours, and gaming app users hours. Here I make access for adult for age category, which have a divided into genders. In here you can see have a same social media users are productive app users are or and gaming hours, while adult males have high productive app users hours, whereas females have l- lower productive app users hours and relatively similar social media and gaming app users hours. Then we have based on cities we have also made a chart for social media users and productive app users and gaming app users. Here we have in excess we have made at the age category which are wi- with subcategories of cities here, and in the final sheet I have placed all the charts that I have plotted. Thank you.
Okay, Harsh. Just go down to the one like the sum of numbers of apps used. That one based on males and females you have segregated. Social media. After that, the social media usage. This one. Yeah. Here.
Yes, ma'am.
Just change the view or just tab anywhere in the yeah. No, from there just go to design. No, no, in the upper tabs, go to design. Upper tabs, you go to
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
design.
ma'am.
Yes, yes. Then just quick layout. You change the layout. Not this
Yes, ma'am.
one. Not of the chart. Just of the pivot table that you have created. You are now changing the layout of the chart. I am asking
Okay.
to change the layout of the pivot table. Just click anywhere in the pivot table. Yeah. Now go to design.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Report layout.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Click it. Show in tabular form. Yeah. See, now it's better to look at, right?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, because it is getting based on Chicago, we have got the age category and how the data are. It's easy to understand now,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes,
So that's fine. So just show me your dashboard once. Okay, okay. So you have just listed the plots that you have created, like
yes, ma'am.
separately you have created. Okay,
Yes,
that
ma'am.
is fine. So you can just use the slicer to make it interactive. Okay,
Okay.
and just
Okay.
go ahead to the data that you have done, like the original raw data and the pre-processed data.
This is
Yeah, this
my
is the
raw data.
clean data. Okay, this is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
raw data,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
in clean data, you have just included
Age
from the
category.
age, you have included the age category.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Using if function.
I understand. Fine. So you have okay just by using okay if nested if you used or
Yeah,
only you
ma'am.
only
Nested
if
if.
you have nested if you have used. Okay,
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
right. Yeah, yeah, right. Okay, fine. Got it. Fine. Okay, it's you can just stop sharing.
Okay.
Okay, after Harsh, Anushka. Anushka, you're there.
Yes, ma'am.
You can just present your screen.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Ma'am, is it visible?
Yes, it is visible.
Good evening, everyone. Today, I am going to present my project on sales and profit analysis dashboard. This is my raw data uh, and final. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, Anushka, you're there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can continue.
Ma'am, I'm not visible.
Yeah, it is visible. Your screen is visible.
Um, okay, ma'am. Uh, ma'am, dashboard is visible.
Yeah, there is a sheet named dashboard. After customer count, there is a dashboard. There is a sheet named dashboard. What happened?
Ma'am, 8 minutes. Ah, ma'am, continue. This is my raw data. The main object of this project to analyze business due to data in the term of sales, profit, customer, and regional performance, and create an interactive dashboard like here. Ma'am, screen is not working. That's why I can present properly.
Sorry, I didn't get you. Yeah, Anushka, tell what is the issue?
Ma'am, my
Hmm?
cursor
Yes.
is not working properly. That's why I can't explain.
Sorry? Use your keyboard, right? To just scroll down. Just use the bars to just came like use the the arrow keys to come down. What exactly is the issue I'm not getting?
Ma'am, my PC is not working properly. That's why.
Okay, fine. Next, who is there? Who wants to present? Sutharsanan GE, are you there?
Ma'am, I am audible.
Yeah, you're audible.
Okay, ma'am. Wait. My screen is visible, ma'am. Is it,
Yes, it is
ma'am?
visible. Yeah, it is
Okay, ma'am.
visible.
So, good evening. I am Sudarshanan. My topic is about travel destination distance sample data. So, we have a 12 columns and 30 rows. So, have a taken a first source of the city. It is the source city where we started from, and then source latitude and longitude. This is the source city latitude and longitude, and then destination city. This is the where we have to reach, and then this is the latitude and longitude of the distant city, and then distance kilometer. It is a distance between the source city and the destination city, and then distance miles also, distance between the source city and the destination city. So I created travel mode. So travel mode I created based on the if condition. So here I created if condition is based on the kilometer. So kilometers greater than 3000. So then bullet train 2000, then train 1000, then car above 100 500 is bus, either bike. So I created the travel mode column is based on the if condition, and then duration hours is predefined, and then distance type is also
Internship.
distance type is
Rohit,
based
can you
on
please
also
switch off your mic?
Slept at 4
Yeah, Sudarshan, and you can continue.
Okay, ma'am. So distance type is also based on the kilometer also. So above greater than 3000, this is too long. Then greater than 2000 is long. Greater than 1000 is spare and either short. So average speed, we have to calculate the average speed is based on the distance by the time. So I calculated this. So round up. So average speed when we calculated, it will become also in float values. So I want to round up the value. So I put into the divide into the round up functions. So next we have to move to visualization. So here I created a visualization of sum of distance by area. So here the Los Angeles have a 3,949 kilometers, and then Miami have a 3,772 kilometers total, and then Phoenix have a 52 kilometers. So these are the first three position, and then remaining all so other, and then we have to move next one. So this is the count of each distance type. So each distance type is calculated here. So short distance, the how many of countries are in short distance? Here 20 countries are in short distance, and fair there are six countries have been fair, and then also 2 countries in long and 2 countries in too long. So here I calculated, and then next we have to move to sum of duration per week. How many duration will be taken per vehicle? So bike have an 32 kilometer 32 hours, and then bullet train have a 11, and then bus have a 105 hours, and then car have a 52, and then train also have a 50. This is based on the vehicle. And then next, so sum of distance in miles. So it's the same like that. So how many distance per each country in miles we have to see. So each countries have a distance in miles, and then New York City have a maximum, and then also Los Angeles have a maximum. Next, move to average speed per vehicle. Here the bullet train have a 1436 kilometer average speed, and then bus have a 1311 kilometer per speed, and then also car have a 1990 kilometer per hour speed. So okay, ma'am.
Done with the
I end this.
presentation? Okay, okay,
Yes,
got
ma'am.
it.
I end.
Go to your raw data.
1 minute, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Go to your raw data. So this is your raw data.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
got it. Got it, fine. So what pre-processing you did here?
Ma'am, I have created a travel mode, and then distance type and average speed. I created extremely, ma'am.
You did this travel mode you have created.
Yes, ma'am.
So how you have created travel mode?
Ma'am, I created travel mode based on the if condition, ma'am. So here the kilometer. So kilometer is the H7 column, and I created travel mode. So here the if condition is H7 is greater than 3000. I mean, so that distance kilometer greater than 3000, then it will be here the person will be go to the bullet train. Here the distance kilometer is greater than 2000, the person will go on train. So or greater than 1000, the person will go on car. Either greater than 500 bus, either bike. That's
Okay,
all,
but
ma'am.
I guess this travel mode was not that much necessary to go ahead with. If you don't create it also, actually you have the travel destination distance sample data, right? So travel and the destination
Yeah.
source, source data you are having, the city you are having, and the destination you are having, right? So it's
Yes, ma'am.
if you don't include this travel mode, that is also fine. You can segregate the data based on this distance
Okay,
type. Distance
okay,
type
ma'am.
was there in your data or not? Like, did you created it or it was already there? Distance type,
No, ma'am. I was created a distance type, ma'am.
you created this distance type. This distance type you created, right?
Yes, yes, of course, ma'am. A distance type was created by me.
Okay, okay, got it, fine. Actually, your voice was not audible. I couldn't hear you properly. Okay, so go ahead with the plots that you did. Just go ahead
Wait a minute, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
with the plots, actually. Yeah. So here you got it with the row labels that the name of the cities, right? And the
Yes, ma'am.
sum of the distance. Okay,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
got it, fine. Fine. Next, okay, based on this, you have changed it to the
Distance type,
source
ma'am.
distance types. Okay, fine, got it.
Okay.
And count like based on the count of the city, like count of source city, like how it is, like it is based
Ma'am,
on
its count
what?
is based on the distance type, ma'am. Distance type, ma'am. So
Just
how
go ahead and
many?
I got it. Just click on any one point in your pivot chart. Let me just sorry, pivot table actually, pivot table. Sorry, yeah. So your why it is not coming like the rows columns of the pivot part where you have put it that it should come right in the right hand side. No, no, I'm not asking about this. Like when you insert pivot table, there is an option like in the value what you have put it, in the row what you have put it, in the column section and the filter what you have taken into account. That part I'm asking. Okay, fine.
Wait a minute.
Oh,
Okay, ma'am.
okay, fine. Leave it. You just go ahead and check it on, and just use the dashboard. Like you have created the chart using pivot table, that is fine. But segregate the chart in a table for as others did. You already have seen, right? Like how they have created the dashboard. So you have to create the dashboard likewise. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. You can just stop sharing your screen. So Sneha, you're there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Tell. You want to present?
Yes.
Yeah.
Ma'am, is it
Okay. You
visible?
can go. Yeah. Yeah. It is visible.
Good evening, everyone. Today I will present our project on Air Quality Index, AQI of India. The dataset we worked with was an Excel format, and it contains the multiple column. Like first one is city. For example, Amravati, Amritsar, and many more cities are there. Then date, month and year. I created this column by text, and I put this column. Then in inverted commas, four times Y, then it appears as November. Sorry, four times M, then it appears as month. Then I created column year. It just changes just 4Y from this column date. Then it shows PM 2.5 major pollutants are given in this. Finally, then AQI and AQI bucket. AQI bucket, which classify air quality as good, satisfactory, moderate, poor, very poor, or severe. It's created
Before this, I just want to explain this major pollutants like PM2.5 and PM10, fine particulate matter that enters our lungs and causes health. NO2, NOx, nitrogen oxide, mainly from vehicles and industries. NH3 is ammonia from agricultural activities. CO is carbon monoxide from fuel combustion. SO2 is sulfur dioxide from burning coal and industrial emissions. O3 is ozone, a secondary pollutant formed by chemical reactions. Then benzene, toluene, and xylene, toxic hydrocarbons are these. Then I created a heat map of pollutants. We first created a heat map using month versus average pollutants. Here we could clearly see seasonal variations. Pollutant like PM2.5 and NO2, NH3, SO2. These are peak during winter month, while they are lowest during monsoon month due to rainfall washing them out. Then I created then I created cities versus major pollutants. A bar chart comparing cities and their average major pollutant like O3, SO2, CO, and NO2. This shows that pollution distribution is not uniform across India. Cities like cities like Delhi and Ahmedabad are near 55, and NO2 is near around 52. Delhi, this one, and Ahmedabad, this one. And the northern cities like Delhi shows higher level, whereas coastal cities like Vishakhapatnam and southern country cities show lower levels. Then I created Gurugram AQI analysis. Gurugram separately I analyzed using pivot table. We looked at the AQI buckets for Gurugram. The result shows that Gurugram's air frequently falls into the poor to the very poor category, means severe condition, highlighting a serious urban pollution challenges. Then I compared month versus average AQI. Here I see that November has the highest AQI, making it most polluted month. Then I see the August column, August bar. August has lowest AQI, making it cleanest month. In fact, AQI nearly doubles from monsoon month to winter months. This shows how weather patterns strongly affect pollution level. We also analyzed year versus major pollutants like ozone, NO2, SO2, NO, and CO. Ozone increased sharply. Like ozone is denoted by blue color. Ozone increased sharply from 2015 to 2020. 2017. Yeah, 2017 stabilized around 2018 to 2019 and slightly decreased in 2020. NO2 remains relatively stable with only slight fluctuations. NO has highest in 2015 and yeah. CO remained the lowest pollutant overall with a small peak in 2015. This tells us ozone and NO2 are the dominant pollutant in India's air quality problem. Then I created state versus PM 2.5. I created a colored map of PM 2.5 concentration across states. We found that Bihar in the Uttar Pradesh. Yeah, Bihar, that's 123.499 and Uttar Pradesh, it's 109.714, showing severe particulate pollution in North India. On the other hand, southern states like Kerala, Karnataka have much lower PM 2.5 levels. This indicates that North India is more vulnerable to particulate pollution compared to the south. Then I compared states with their average AQI buckets. Yeah, I created this final bucket column by if condition in itself. If AQI is less than equals to 50, it denotes good. If AQI is less than equals to 100, it denotes satisfactory. If AQI is less than equals to 200, it denotes moderate. Then if AQI is less than equals to 300, it denotes poor. Then if AQI is less than equals to 400, it will appear as very poor. And else is severe. Yeah, we then compared states with their average AQI buckets. Again, northern India states fall more frequently in poor to very poor, while southern have more satisfactory moderate air quality. Western India, like Gujarat, here has a highest value. Then I created the finally we combined everything into an interactive dashboard. The dashboard includes state versus PM2.5, state versus AQI bucket map, year versus major pollutants, Gurugram AQI pie chart, cities versus major pollutant bar chart, month versus AQI chart. This dashboard provides a complete view of India's AQI trends across time, geography, and pollutants. And I want to just conclude that winter months like November to January are the most polluted, while monsoon months from July to September are the cleanest, while ozone and NO2 are the major pollutants contributing to poor air quality. And whereas North India, especially Bihar and UP, Delhi and Gurugram, faces the highest pollution burden, while southern states perform better. These insights can help us policymakers like high stress regions and seasons. That's my project.
Okay, Sneha, can you just have you added slicer over here to make it interactive in the
No,
dashboard?
no,
Okay, so
no,
whatever
ma'am, I
charts you
just
have
forget it.
prepared, yeah, got it. Whatever
Yes,
charts you have prepared, that only you have just adjusted and aggregated here, right?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine, got it. So you can do that to make it interactive. Rest, it was good and it was a nice idea to include the insights that you have got from the specific chart along with that, along with the chart that you have prepared. That was a very intelligent move that I can say. Rest, it was a good attempt from your end. Okay, Sneha?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, you can just stop sharing your screen. Virendrajit, you're
Yes, ma'am.
there?
Can I
Yeah,
present
yeah,
now?
yeah, you can present.
Okay. Please wait a second.
Yeah, Simran, after him, if we have time, you can present. Fine?
My screen is visible.
Yes, it is visible.
So, hello guys. My name is Brinderjit Singh, and this is my sales dashboard. And I use this dataset from Kaggle. This dataset include date, reason, product, sales, unit sold, unit price, and revenue. The main goal of this dataset is to find sales rep who got the highest sales by reason. And firstly, I clean the data. This is my clean data. And there are some blanks. I remove that and change the date type, and data is cleaned. After that, I use pivots. Like this is my first pivot, revenue by sales rep. And this is my second, revenue by reason. This is my third pivot, revenue unit sold by product. And I use some KPIs in my dashboard. Like this is my first KPI. Uh, this is my first KPI, unit sold. How many units are sold by reason? And this is my second KPI. Uh, After that, this is my fourth pivot and my third KPI. I use it with formulas like index and match. Firstly, I match the index and change the max, which got the max. And this is my dashboard. which includes slicer by sales rep, second by reason, and third is date, and last one is product. I use three KPIs: total revenue, total units, and top rep who got the most sales in reason. That's all, man.
Okay, fine. Go to your raw data. Okay, so first of all, it is not formatted. See the alignments. Alignments are not proper. So you need to format this because this is the data that you will be showing. So for the
Yes.
initial perspective, I have already told you to keep your raw data separate and the pre-processed data separate.
Yes,
Hopefully
ma'am. I
from your
already
next
separate my
project,
data
yeah,
in different file.
got it. Okay, got it. But like in different sheet, try to make it so that like did you included any other rows, sorry, any other columns based on the pre-processing part, anything you included, or this is how your data is?
This is how
Like
my
you,
data is.
okay, got it, fine.
And
So
yes.
you need to format this, that is the basic thing. And for
Okay.
the pivot part, second sheet that you have taken into consideration, that is fine. But like here, suppose if you are making it like there should be some gap, like you try and make it more appealing, right? Because uh, see, after you have created the table, you have created the chart, that is fine, but after you are
Yes.
going down, there is some of the parts that is like vacant, like it doesn't look good when you are showing or telling something like based on this data I have created this suppose pivot table, this is my data, and try and put like try and use some of the forms, like if you are making me understand this pivot, the first pivot table, and say it like that for Ethan, the data is like this, it is showing it is like that, the revenue by sales, how it is. So try and explain it like that. Okay, because
Okay, I
like
understand, ma'am.
you need to present it in a format because your presentation also matters. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
rest, your dashboard was good. That is fine because you have used KPIs that look professional, and also you have used the slicers and the other part also you have used. That is fine. Dashboard is pretty good, but you need to check about your the raw data part and how you are presenting your pivot tables and charts. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Uh, yeah, you can just stop presenting. So, guys, today we'll just stop here. Those who are left with a presentation, they can create their presentation video and just submit it because we have no time left to take the presentation today. So, we are done with the presentation session today itself. So from tomorrow, there will be regular sessions. We'll complete the other part, see how we can create a interactive dashboard from scratch. We'll try to make it in the session only. Then we'll go with other parts of like week three, whatever be the other details on or other criteria to fulfill. We'll just see accordingly. Fine. So, who have just done with their presentation today, make sure that you people submit your project by today. Fine. So, since the presentation is done, go ahead with the submission. Fine. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay,
ma'am,
great. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell.
I just want to ask, we have to create means we have to record the video and that link we have to submit on given form.
Swapna, I guess you are done with the presentation, right? You presented
Yeah,
today, right? So you
yeah,
don't
right.
have to create the video. Whoever has presented today in the session, they don't have to create a video, presentation video. So whoever have not done, for those only, for whoever have not presented in the session, for those only, they have to create a video presentation using Zoom. Along with that, I guess you people know I have explained you multiple of time how to do it. So I guess you people know you do it accordingly and submit your project. Fine? Because without the submission of your project, your marks won't be evaluated. Fine?
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
And
Yeah.
Ma'am, do we have to submit our project via Google form, which was circulated earlier in the group?
Yes, yes, yes. That form itself.
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am,
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah,
ma'am, I
Sneha.
just wanted, ma'am, I want to ask something like I have to prepare a report of this internship to submit in college. Just my department asked for digital signature of yours. Is it possible?
So you can just contact the HR department for this. Okay, you can just go ahead and drop a mail, like including all of the details that you need, and go ahead and just mail the HR. They will reply back on that. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So guys,
Yes,
we'll just end our session today here. We'll meet tomorrow, and accordingly we'll process. Right? Bye, guys.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye
ma'am.
bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.